Hi, this is our channel Incredible Discovery. Today we are going to discuss about carnivorous plants in this world. If you want to watch the interesting part of today's video, so watch the whole video without any skipping. At first, we will discuss what is carnivorous plants. History is filled with many legends of man eating plants and trees. They really are carnivorous plants that can catch and consume small animals and insects. It can produce their own food using a process known as photosynthesis. This involves removing CO2 from the air, water from the ground, and direct sunlight. Some of plants grow in moist places, such as swamps. Now we come top 3 carnivorous plants in this world. First is the corpse flower. It is a flowering plant with the largest unbranched inflorescence in the world. This plant, considered to be responsible for rumors of man-eating flora, is something known as Amorphophilus titanium. It is monster plant. When it is in bloom at 9 feet tall, it dwarfs a man. It has been known to grow as much as 4 inches in a single day. Second is Nicaragua vampire vine. Found in the swamps of Nicaragua, local natives refer to these elusive plants as the devil's snare. It has been described as an octopus in general appearance. This plant has the capability to drain the blood of any living thing which comes within its death-dealing touch. A naturalist called Dunstan spent 2 years studying the local plant and animal life and made this discovery in a swamp close to Lake Nicaragua. Third is Nepenthes. It, also known as pitcher plant, are the largest known carnivorous plants yet discovered. The largest specimen can be found in the rainforest of Southeast Asia, and their vines can grow as much 50 feet in length. The main victims include small frogs and insects, but the occasional rat can be found digesting within the Nepenthes. Nepenthes pitchers lasting from the 1 to 8 months. Severely dehydrated Nepenthes may drop their pitchers suddenly. Ensure that the soil is always kept moist. So, after learning about this, we are coming to the most interesting part of this video. So the question is, can a carnivorous plant eat human? No, they're not dangerous to humans to any extent. They're only capable of eating insects and small mammals like frogs and rodents. Some will even eat tiny bits of human flesh if we feed it to them. However, they do not pose any threat to humans. In fact, humans are dangerous to carnivorous plants. Humans are often the aggressors. We uproot them, trigger them, and when we own them, oftentimes we don't take good care of them. So, the discussion ended here today. We will come again the next day with an interesting topic. So, stay with us until then. And if you like our content, you will definitely like, comment, and share it. And also subscribe this channel. And to get all the notifications of this channel, so please click the bell button. Thank you.